This tutorial defines string functions in SQL, and you will be able to see the string function documentation on MySQL. And we will be creating one table and inserting few employees, a few values there to define the employees table, right? And I will be performing all the string functions over this table, right? So firstly, I have string functions are different built-in operations that we can perform on text columns. There are bunch of string functions available on SQL documents. So I'm going to my browser and I have already searched for this document dev.mysql.com, and here inside the documents I have string functions, right? You can refer to this documentation to go through it, and you can learn various string functions and their operations available, right? For example, char. So here you will be able to see the documentation of it, what this function does and what are the examples of it, right? So I have already attached this documentation into my description of this video. You can refer this link from there. Now let me create one table here inside my Progademy database, right? So firstly, I can directly execute this complete file. Create table is successful, insert is successful. Now firstly, let me describe this table. Describe employees. Let us refresh here first. If you will be able to see, employees table is present now, and employee table is an unnecessary table. So let me drop this first. Drop table employee to avoid the confusion we are gonna have. So we have only employees table present here, right? Now let me describe this table employees. You will be able to see what all columns we have and their types and their constants. Now firstly, let me just try select streak from this table name, and you will be able to see all the employees data present in our database, right? Now we will be understanding one by one the functions of string operations. Basically, string operations work on the data type as string or varchar. Whatever the text data types we have, we will be studying in string functions. So as of now, we know varchar as the data type string, right? If you are following this series of this playlist, right? Now let's come back and perform these operations one by one. If you want to create this table, you can just take the screenshot of it, or you can pause this video and you can create this table. So inside this table employees, we have employee id of int primary key, first name of varchar, last name of varchar, email of varchar type, department, job title, city, gender of all these are varchar, salary is of int type, and experience years is of int type. And I have inserted approx 30 uh, records into it, from starting from 101 to 130, right? So let's come back in the further tutorial. Just note that string functions are different built-in operations that can be performed on text columns, right? So whatever the text columns we have, we use to perform string functions on those columns, and we can refer to this documentation.